Maximizing e-commerce efficiency, top plugins every online store needs. Does managing the daily tasks of your online store make you feel overwhelmed? Lack of appropriate resources can make managing your e-commerce business.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description. Before
Business a real headache. With plugins, you can automate many processes and enhance the overall user experience and sales. Whether you are a beginner or looking to expand your store, the right plugins will help serve your customers better and grow faster. This article will highlight the essential plugins that every online store needs to consider. These utilities will not only increase the efficiency of your online store but add value to the ease with which daily operations are performed. 1. WooCommerce, the foundation of online stores. When it comes to creating e-commerce stores on WordPress, WooCommerce tops the list when it comes to plugins. It provides all the requirements, including inventory with stock control, product selling tools, and payment gateway integration. With WooCommerce, you will get easy setup, extensive customization options, and support for a wide array of competitively priced products and services. This allows you to sell physical items, digital downloads, and custom memberships. Moreover, you can start free of charge and add premium and additional features as your business expands. Without WooCommerce, managing your store professionally on WordPress would be hard. That's why it is the foundation on which you should build your online business. 2. Yoast SEO, boost your store's visibility. Maintaining your storefront represents only one part of the electronic selling equation. A product with significant traffic is everything in business. This is where Yoast SEO helps. It makes your store easier for customers to find by optimizing search engines' perception of it. Your product pages, blogs, and other relevant content are checked for keywords, readability, and technical SEO-related aspects, all of which are important. Yoast helps with content optimization. This application can also arrange essential SEO elements like meta tags, sitemaps, and breadcrumbs. Organic traffic does not need to be paid for, but it will still come in when Google ranks your store and its shamelessly well-worked content higher in search results. It is very SEO-friendly. 3. Cart flows, optimize the checkout process. Checkout flows can now be made simple, fast, and delightful using cart flows. This plugin aims to solve one of the significant reasons for abandoned carts: complicated and long-winded checkout processes. Customization of checkout pages is also made easier, where order bumps, upsells, and even sales funnels can be added. Cart flows enables you to move from the product section to payment section comprehensively. It also integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce, so there are no issues with integration. By optimizing the checkout experience, cart flows can improve conversion rates and increase sales. 4. WP Rocket, speed up your store. Site speed is critical for online stores. Your store risks losing potential customers to competitors simply because it loads slowly. One of the best caching plugins for WordPress is WP Rocket. It speeds up your site by caching your pages, optimizing your files, and even supporting lazy loading for images. The plugin does not require any technical know-how. Simply installing it makes your store run faster immediately. A faster store enhances user satisfaction and aids the business in SEO rankings, lowers bounce rates, and diminishes ad acquisition costs. 5. Updraft Plus, backup and protect your store. A technical error can cause all of your customer data, product listings, and other vital information to disappear. You can be at ease with the right online store backup system. Updraft Plus is an extensive plugin that makes it easy to consistently back up your entire website, including databases and files. You can automatically schedule backups to be stored on the cloud with services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or Amazon S3. In the event of a crash, your store can be quickly restored without the risk of losing important information. This is especially important for serious online businesses. 6. WooCommerce subscriptions create recurring revenue. If you sell services or products that customers require regularly, generating constant revenue through subscriptions would be ideal. With WooCommerce subscriptions, you can easily set up recurring billing for memberships, products, or services. Plans can be offered at weekly, monthly, or yearly intervals. Customers can self-service subscription management, including upgrading, downgrading, and canceling. The plugin also handles automatic renewals and failed payment processing, providing great convenience. Customer subscriptions can significantly enhance a store's revenue, customer satisfaction, and loyalty.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.